This is a first for GAMBIN.BUILDS on the dash 10 AM braided hose, so that's going to look nice. The police or anything are asking, this is for track use only. What is going on, guys? It is finally the day. It's the day we chuck the Barra back into the Falcon, get it going, piece her all together, and send her off to go get injectors and yeah, fuel pump, tune, Keno. So enough talking, let's hook in. Engine has made it in nice and safely. I just got to put the water pump on, power steering across, the air compressor, which I've already done, the crank, and then put a few pulleys, tensioner, and the belt. Let's get it done and move on to the next thing. It's finally time to put the rocker cover on. I've been waiting for this moment, finally here. I'm just putting it on because it is getting late. I'm going to push the car out tomorrow. The car park's very dusty, so I don't need anything going into the engine right after I've cleaned it and stuff. So let's get her on. Here she is, all on and looking the absolute goods. I still need to cut this out a little bit to fit the dash 10 AN fittings on that. But yeah, let's lift her up. Let's put the box on. I've put all the accessories on. The power steering pump, alternator down there, air compressor, new crank pulley down there, power bond one. Yep, very nice. New tensioner, new pulleys, everything. So it's all nice and immaculate at the front. Well, I'll do a little bit more at the top, like put these hoses on, whatever, but I'm going to lift it up and put the box and tail shaft together. I do have my JG drive lines tail shaft coming. It wasn't meant to come a week ago, but it hasn't come. So anyway, let's lift her up and let's put this box back in. So the converter bolts all in, all torqued up, all ready to go. I'll see the angle on this stand. If it wasn't that good, then I probably won't chuck it in, but I highly doubt it because I was in front of it. I won't say nothing, but simple stuff. Anyway, moving forward, pop the starter motor in, pop the little loom on for the starter motor, plumb up a few things underneath, then we can get to putting the dump on, the external wastegate, all that jazz. So yeah, let's just get back into it. I'm getting a little bit bored here, so I want to chuck the dump on and put the screamer pipe on because that will make my night happier than what it is, you know, doing this stuff. So I'm just going to go grab the dump. We're going to put the bolts in, bolt it up to the exhaust, and then drop that screamer in, that external wastegate and the screamer pipe, line that up, see where we need to do it, get it all happening. It is finally time. This is a first for Mitchell Gambin. This is a first for Gambin Builds, and this is the first of many. External wastegate, and if the police or anything are asking, this is for track use only. Have a go at that. I cannot wait to hear this 3584 Gen 3 Pulsar Turbo absolutely scream. And this external wastegate just to add to the mix. Mwah. My heart will be so full. I cannot wait to hear this. I'm not going to chuck the air filter on just yet because I do want to clean it. It's a little bit dirty. Like, it's not too bad, I could put it on, but you know, fresh turbo and stuff, so we're going to put it on. Waiting for this part here from Nick. He actually tapped where the boost T goes into the intercooler piping instead of from the turbo like they are from factory. So I'll be picking that up this afternoon, whacking that on this afternoon. I can plumb up the wastegate. And yeah, keep putting along. Guys, so I smashed out a fair bit. We've got a battery in, we've got the intake on, but as you can see here, we're up to an exciting part which I'm super keen for. It's time to fit all the fittings for the catch can. Yes, I jumped the gun, didn't get an unbox video for you guys because, you know, yeah, that's just me. So anyway, chucked one of the Dash 10AN fittings on the Dash 10AN braided hose, so that's going to look nice. So I've got to cut that up. Got the Aeroflow spanner there so we don't scratch up the nice blackness of the fittings, but we've got twin 45s going in there on the catch can, and I'll run around to the 90 here and the 90 there. Let's hook into the AN fittings and let's get this bad boy finished up. Have a go at that, all nice and clean, tucked away. You can't even see the fittings back there. It's all nicely done. Kind of wish I may have done it a little bit shorter, you know, so it can sit up and a bit more straight, but that's just me being real picky about it. But yeah, we're pretty much close to the end, guys. I've got to obviously get the intercooler pipe from Nick, like I said earlier. That has the fitting for this to go into. I'm going to pick that up tomorrow morning off him because I'm going to spin wash my Club Sport motor, the 427 cubic inch dart block, because we'll be getting stuck into that very soon. But with this, it's pretty much ready to go. Just fill it up with coolant, put that hose on, the heat shields can go on after. I've got to lift it up, run it through the gears once it's running, fill up the rest of the transmission, because I did just do a transmission service, and fill it up and then run through the gears, put it in drive, make sure it's all nice and full. But she's got oil in it, and she is pretty much ready to start once those few little things are done. But I'm going to leave the video here, guys. Sorry to blue ball ears, but you're just going to have to wait for the next one. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification button so you do not miss out on the next episode and future episodes. And as always, guys, I guess we'll catch you in the next one.